Hello everybody, it's me right now, and today I'm here with another video, and today we're going to teach you how to make french fries in the microwave. And today I have a special guest, Pop. His name is, what do you want to call this? 1 hour later. Jethro. Okay, his name is Jethro, and today we are going to be showing you guys how to make chips in the microwave. So keep watching this video. You just said that. Taste it now.
What is that, Nelly?
But it's look like it's burnt.
What? Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10.
It's crispy, but it tastes burnt.
It does?
Yeah. Earlier, the taste earlier was better.
Taste
But this one is more crispier now.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Tastes like charcoal, huh?
Go back over there and
Do it again.
So yeah guys, I hope you liked it and subscribe and have any words to say, Jasmine? You said it was salty. Okay, bye. Try.